Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 18th to the 22nd of November 2024 on Monday. Vuyokazi figures out Lulama's wound and blames herself for use of drugs. Zimkhitha continued to be a thorn in Makwetu's marriage on Tuesday. Lulama causes an epic public scene when Hlumelo turns on her. Funeka is ready to humble herself to Msimelelo, but Vuyokazi makes a shocking discovery about Lulama on Wednesday. Msimelo's bold proposition leads to a situation he can't control. Stocky and Vuyokazi realize that helping Lulama will be more difficult than they thought on this day. Lulama tried to accept or adapt to life on the street in vain. Funeka will not let Zimkhitha have Msimelelo on a silver platter on Friday. Vuyokazi's attempt to help Lulama lead to a rage of chaos. Zimkhitha's manipulation tactics cause a great rift in the Makwetu household. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome.